would be my pleasure to introduce our faculty for today. That's Kshama Thakkar, who goes by the name ARTh by Kshama. And she's an amazing faculty.
So coffee painting might appear modern, but actually it's quite an ancient form of art which started in Europe centuries ago, who in themselves were inspired by the Chinese who used tea extracts to make the painting.
I enjoyed the session, and for the first time I did coffee painting. It was a thing that I really wanted to learn, and your way was very nice.
Thank you so much. Coffee painting is enjoyable, not only by the look of it, but also the smell of it. I know a lot of you are going to get craving to actually drink some coffee while we proceed with the session.